So, what specific lessons, concept, or discussion changed the way you think? So, ethics in general makes me think that the veil of ignorance is the way of thinking about fairness, especially when knowing what utilitarianism is truly about. I realize that good deeds are sometimes based in the outcomes and the consequences. You make decision carefully while analyzing if it goods or bad based on how it makes the majority feels. So next question, how did it affect or change your view? So ethics help people think about what's right and wrong. It makes them question their actions and choices and often lead to change in how they live their life. For example, learning about ethics might make someone realize they need to be more honest, kind, and fair in their relationship or work. This new perspective can inspire them to make better choices and become a better person. For the last question, has it affected your goals, decision, or behavior? For me, yes. Ethics has completely affected for my goals, decisions, and it made me question how I behave. Ethics helped me distinguish right from wrong, and it leaves a big impact on my actions. It helped me balance my decision based on every individual interest as well for the greater good. Ethics also helped me build trust, respect people, and get knowledge in making a relationship stronger. That's all. Thank you.